So here's my wrench set that I just ordered. I wanted something that had a thinner profile, and these definitely fit the bill. They're about 3 millimeters thick, as you can see, so they can fit in tight places. They are etched with the sizes on there. It does have 2 sizes per wrench, which is really nice. They're also heat treated, alloy steel as well, very strong, very rugged. I also like it because it comes with this nice roll-up carrier that you can kind of fold it up and then Velcro it closed like so. And then it also has this little storage compartment here. And what I like about it too is you can take this whole thing to your workstation depending on where you're at. You can see it's already really tight. I'm putting a lot of stress on it, and it doesn't have any wobble or anything like that. It fits really, really well. Very high quality. I'm really happy with this set here. With the thinness of it too, especially like I'd say if you're in somewhere with a tight space and you don't have a lot of thickness to go to, you can see here that you can still get a great amount of force and leverage on there because of how thin and strong these are. I'm really happy with this set. Like I said, you can just fold it up here, Velcro it down, and then throw it in your toolbox or the back of your truck. And if you ever need it, you know that they're there. So if you guys are looking for a kind of to-go kit, this is definitely the wrench set to get.